Hi everyone! Today we will show you how to install the Shycocan, a revolutionary first-of-its-kind product which is the world's first proven technology for prevention against the coronavirus. The Shycocan is up to 99.9% effective against the coronavirus in enclosed spaces. Unbox it and pull out the device itself, a wall mounting bracket, the power cord, along with custom screws, nuts and bolts. We will need the following to get the installation started: a power socket, an electric drill machine, a 10x11 spanner, a pencil to mark the drill spots on the wall, a ladder to install the device at a height. The Shycocan is a high voltage device, so please don't open it or splash water on it. Keep the device away from kids and pets to ensure safety. Time to get started. Insert one end of the power cord into the socket available on the device's backplate and plug the other end into the power supply. Turn on the switch. The green light on the device illuminates, indicating that the device has started working. Take a CFL bulb or tube light and hold it in front of the device. The bulb will start flickering. That's a sign that electrons are being produced and that your Shycocan is ready to keep you safe. In the unlikely event that the Shycocan is not working properly, the red light at the back of the device will start flickering and an alarm will automatically start to beep. Stay calm and reach out to the Shycocan customer service team using the details provided in the user guide. They will help you out at the earliest, so your protective shield is never down. Using the wall mounting bracket and screws provided, the Shycocan needs to be installed between 7 to 10 feet above the ground. The device should be focused at an angle, pointing towards the opposite diagonal corner of the room for maximum coverage. Use a pencil to mark 3 holes on the wall where the bracket screws are to be drilled in. With an electric drill, drill the holes at the marked location. Position the bracket over the drilled holes in such a way that the device stands on top of the bracket. Fix the screws connecting the wall mounting bracket to the wall. Before you place the device, make sure the bracket is secured to the wall. Mount the device in such a way that the attached bolts face downwards and pass through the 3 holes in the wall bracket head. Tighten the nuts around the bolts. Insert one end of the power cord into the socket available on the device's backplate and plug the other end into the power supply. Turn on the switch. The indicator light on the device will glow green, and the Shycocan is ready to take on the coronavirus inside your premises and keep you safe. Shycocan. Let's bring life back to normal and normal back to business. Visit shycocancorp.com today